So today I am recalibrating my input shaping resonance on these two machines. I've just finished that one, and so now we're going to do this one. So they give you this cable and that little resonance sensor there, and what you do is you plug it in here, and then you go up and you remove the mounting screw and put it in that position right there. Then you go to the control here, hit configuration, input shaper. Now what it's going to do is it's going to sense the accelerometer. And once it's sensed, that autocomplete, and then you say measure X. And it's going to home itself. Please hold while we home ourselves. So it's almost there. And then what it's going to do is get in that position and it starts moving. And if you look down here at the bottom, it's going through different frequencies. I think it goes all the way up to 100 hertz. But if you look, our numbers are 4752 right now. So let's let this shake, rattle, and roll, and then we will see what the number is. 52 hertz. Still rattling. 90 hertz. Like I said, I think it's 100 it stops at. Let's see. Okay, there it goes. So now it's calculating the sine wave of that vibration. Think about it as if you had a pond of water and you made an equal wave at both ends of the pond. When they hit each other in the middle, they cancel each other out. And that's what this is doing. It's going to go through, calculate out what that sine wave was for that harmonic, and then we're going to cancel it out with a matching wave. So it's going to reboot. We're going to remove that screw right there and mount our sensor so our y-axis arrow is pointing in the y direction. Then we go back over to our configuration, input shaper. It's going to sense the sensor. Are you still there? Yep. Auto. Now we're going to do Y. And it's going to go through the same process it did on X, but this time it's going to move the bed back and forth. And there it goes. Moving the bed back and forth. 25 hertz. 50 hertz. 88 hertz. Great Scott. And it's done. And now it's calculating its cancellation sine wave. So slow. What? Oh. So on this machine, the numbers didn't move that much, or at all. But on that machine, it moved a lot because that machine there relocated from this shelf to this shelf. And there was a significant harmonic change. So this test should be run whenever you do any major changes to the machines. Move them into a different spot with a different support under it. Add weight, take a weight off. Anything like that. You want to rerun this because the mass of something has changed. And you want to make sure you're running the right canceling sine wave for the machine. And that will give you smoother prints and allow you to go faster and continue to get smooth prints.